Shout out Sketchy Squid. JV's got it over here. This is Curtis. Shout out Curtis Cages. I want to watch him from over here because JV's about to get kicked in the fucking face. Look at JV. Whoa. Can touch his butt, dude. Just go ahead. Oh, hold his hand. How you like them apples, JV? Would you be down? Would you be down to do that? Yeah. Oh, dude, he should have just straight scissored you, dude. Curtis makes his own cages, and they work, clearly. Maybe, they work. Hell yeah, bro! Alright, I'll throw Curtis Cages in a link in the description, too. Because he throws down. He sends that thing sideways. Look at that. Well done. Throttle control on point. Yeah, dude, you can't do this without the... Oh, he just fucking flexed on you, dude! Oh! And there's the runaway bike. Hey! Oh, yeah, that's dope. Alright, time to head out. Alright, broski. Thanks for the invite, man.
Take it easy.
Peace out. Catch you later, man. Nice meeting you.
Scrape that thing.
What?
Scrape the tail.
Yeah, right.
Do a big wheelie.
I can't stunt, bro.
You can wheel a grom, wheelie that thing.
What?
You can wheel a grom, wheelie that thing.
I could.
Good.
I don't have it here.
Huh?
I don't have it here. I'd bring it.
I said you can wheelie a grom, you can wheelie this.
I know, I was trying to yesterday.
Do it.
I can't do it slow. Like second gear clutch up, I can float it back, and then I'm just learning the rear brake on that. Like, it's gonna take time.
Be smooth on the throttle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Do it.
Alright, peace out, homie. Hey, is there a way out this way or no?
Bike path. Take the bike path.
You there, JB? Should I turn on this 360? I'll catch a little clips it. Kudos, my man. Kudos. I don't know if that's the correct term. What? No, you didn't. Woo! My man. Holy shit. This homeless person has a lot of dogs. How do we get out? Ah, he's killing it. He's killing it. Alright, how do we get out of here? I'll follow you. Just go. Kill her! Oh, kill her! Dude, it's like... Alright, finally. We're out. Yeah, this is safe area for me. I can clearly see what's going on here. Now what? I totally thought all the stunners hung out here. Makes sense. Alright. Let me see what time it is. What time do you have to go get kiddo? Alright, cool. Go again. Not yet. Let me see here. There's a stop sign up here. Oh, we go straight? I thought we go right then left. No? No, we go straight. Alright, ready? Alright. Hopefully these bumps aren't bad. Christ. How bad is this road? Whoa! Hold on. I don't like this. There is a dope like 2-lane road out here with some sweepers and shit. I forget where it is, but thank God it's a Sunday. Dude, that R1 is sick. Alright, here's a little So this is literally where everyone just got fucking arrested. Classic. So this is where everyone drag raced? Alright, I'm gonna try my 360 real quick. No Cessnas? Yo, bro, can you take that off? Thanks. It's working. Yo, this is yeah, we're just gonna go back and forth a little bit. You guys can try this out too and stuff. What? That's fine. keep practicing. Careful. Nice. Why are you dude, don't do that. Don't turn around in the middle of these. Scare me. R1 and Gixxer should go at it. What? He dropped it? Alright. Alright, let's try a wheelie here. Wait for... Oh, nice. Alright, I'm waiting for this to ease down. Alright. Alright, here we go. I feel like my rear tire is way too inflated. It's like hard to balance. What? You got a car coming. I'll practice some more dips on the way home. I want to try to get on this Gixxer 1000 though. Taylor, shout out Taylor for letting me ride his Gixxer 1000. It's a 2020. I don't know what all he's done to it, but I jerk off to Gixxers. So I'm excited to ride this shit. And is it the dopest dope? Yeah. Is it traction control off and all that?
Yeah, traction control by
full power?
Yep, full power.
Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna try this. Is everything good, JB? Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Ah, damn it, I gotta re-record this.